Just got back from Board and Beam. They're in Fairfield. It's a lumber company. They have a lot of specialty lumber, including very thick, very heavy pieces, much heavier than you find in local lumber yards. Anyway, I'm going to be teaching some DIY classes, and they've been good to DIY. They put aside a lot of short pieces so I can use them for bowl blanks and for also freeform mirror classes. This is black lumber, and I got a bunch of that, and I've got some really heavy, nice heavy pieces of walnut for bowl blanks, and I've got some white oak and even a couple pieces of padauk. And the rest of the wood here is ash for my round table class. I'm starting a round table class on Saturday, so I need to pick up some more wood for that. The round table class and the bowl turning class is one of the more popular classes we offer at DIY. And they're also a lot of fun to teach. I'm glad to have Board and Beam nearby so that I can readily get back and forth and pick up materials.